Happy Friday, YouTube. I'm back again with more vacuums. This time it's for my beautiful Hoover Elite 2. This is my teal one, and this is my Bissell Blue 10 amp. I'm gonna go ahead and run both of these for you today. Just doing like random videos. I really like this one. It's like very beautiful. Wait, let me put my flash on. My bad, y'all. Okay, there we go. So you can get a better look at it. It's like a teal. It's like a greenish bluish. I love this machine. Go ahead and run it for you. I bought this one like new. Long time ago, 2016. Hold up. Still sound brand new too. Listen. Isn't she beautiful? Got that one like new from the vacuum store, 2016. I think I paid like 30. I forgot how much I paid for that thing. No, I think I paid 80. No, I don't remember. No, it wasn't that one. I got that one from a thrift store. I forget which one I paid 80 for, but the one I paid 80 for, that was like a damn near brand new machine. I forget which Hoover that was. Anyway, I thought it was that one, but it wasn't. I got so damn many of them. I don't know. Anyway, here's a Blue Bissell. Have another Blue Bissell right here. See, there's that one, and then there's that one, and then there's those that I ran yesterday, the Singer Bissells. Please go ahead, come watch, like, and subscribe. See you later.